Hello, Velocity Posse, and welcome back to the channel for another unboxing. Today, we are going to be unboxing my new headset, my new headphones. Currently, I'm using a Beats wired on-ear headphone, and on my last stream, after having a whole day of recording, wearing these on-ear headphones, I had to record 3 videos for the next upcoming week, and I streamed for 4 hours. My ears were killing me, so I had to find a new option for my headset, and I'm going to unbox these new Sennheisers today for you right now. Now, I got these at my local Best Buy. You can probably find these online on eBay or on Amazon as well. This was the last one that my local Best Buy had. I was able to get these $80 off at the time. They were regularly around $200 price MSRP for these things. So I got these for around $120 plus tax. So I'm actually really excited. I got a really good deal on these things. The quality should be there. They're all round ear. So my ears will not be hurting like these. This is constantly pressing up against my ear. You can see already. My ear is red. All right, these things sit on my ear, and it is so uncomfortable. They don't move, right? These ones currently, they get the job done. They've gotten the job done for a few months now, right? But I just can't handle it anymore, dealing with the pain that these headphones are giving me on long recording sessions. These should not do that, and they're wireless. So hopefully everything is good. I can actually get up from my seat with my headphones on. I can listen to things as I walk away. I don't have to take my headphones off and set them on my desk. It's just going to be way better. There's a charging case. We'll get into it in the video. Let's just open this thing. I'm too excited, as you can tell. Strangely enough, it opens from the bottom. Kind of strange. Tab pulls. And then there's some tape here. I really don't care about the integrity of the box. It's the quality of the headphones that matter. All right, let's open these things up. Slide out the contents. It's all in this beautifully sealed plastic size thing. All right, there we go. So here's the box. Dispose of that. First things it comes with is a carrying case. Nice little travel case. Looks like it's made of polyester or whatever. So it's a nice little case. It has a zipper, so you can easily keep these things closed. So you just have to slide it in there. It gives you a little mesh pocket for your cables, because it does actually come with a charging cable and a auxiliary cable as well. So if I need to plug those into my speakers, that'll work. So you get a nice white auxiliary cable, black USB cable as well for charging purposes. Now to the main feature. Here are the Sennheisers. They fold up nicely, you know, in a nice compact, so you can carry them around. Unlike these don't really fold. They just kind of hang. So you unfold these things. Looks like they have some swivel to them. The earpiece foam seems to be a little bit softer and thicker. So I'm hoping that allows us to have some better comfort. So I'm going to put these on, and oh my God, they feel amazing. Hope I look okay. I wanted to keep the white color for these for my headset. So yeah, they actually feel amazing. They're right around my ears. They don't look too big. I mean, they are big, but in comparison to these, you can see the size of the outer part is much bigger, but it's just more comfortable. I don't have these on yet, so I'm gonna take these off for a second so I can actually hear myself. Yeah, way better, absolutely better. I definitely think that these are gonna become a new staple. My ears will be thanking me. I'm gonna get some audio playing here, and I will let you know how the audio sounds through these things. These are also noise canceling, so I can hear my fridge running right now when I have my headphones off, but as soon as I put them on, the world is shut out and I cannot hear a single thing. Absolutely fantastic. The audio sounds great right now. Absolutely crystal clear. I can't even hear myself talk over the audio and my noise canceling functionality. Oh, this is absolutely fantastic. I am rocking out. Oh man. Let's put something a little less popping on, something a little more calming. Okay, a little more chill here. These headphones are awesome. This is the instruction pamphlet here. Pretty easy to follow. Shows you how to plug it in, how to connect it to Bluetooth, how to put it in the bag even. They really go in depth on how to do these things. Oh, so it's got voice assistant. You can actually tell it to do stuff. It also has active noise cancellation, as I said. It's got the speaker, it's got the tap. I can tap my headphone and it'll advance the song into the next song in the playlist. It's got, I think, 2-hour charge time, and it's good for 30 hours, I believe. So 30 hours is a lot of time to listen to something. And yes, so it takes here it is. 2 hours to charge, 30-hour charge time, 30 hours of battery life. Really fantastic. I'm going to be happy with these. This is going to make streaming so much more enjoyable. I'm going to be able to stream for longer. I'm going to be able to stream and not have to worry about my ear pain. I went a day and a half, guys, after my last stream where I had pain in my ears for that long. So I'm really excited for these. I would give these definitely my old pair. I mean, they're okay to start out. I'd give these maybe a 5 out of 10, 6.5 at most, somewhere in that range. Just middle of the ground. It's just, they get the job done, but they're nothing fantastic. These Sennheisers are definitely top tier, best in the market. I absolutely love them so far. There's nothing bad I have to say about these. These are clear, they're crystal, they're not overpowering my ears in the volume either. I have it on the highest setting, and it's not that bad. It's actually really easy to listen to. So I definitely give these things a 9.5 out of 10 at most. There's probably better out there for a higher price point, over $200. But I'm gonna give these, for the price they are, it's like a 9.5 out of 10 on the rating. So these Sennheiser, they're Sennheiser 450 BT Bluetooth, the HD 450 Sennheiser BTs. Fantastic headphone, and yeah, I definitely give these guys a 9.5 out of 10. So thanks for watching this product review and unboxing. I'll catch you in the next one on whatever content you choose to watch on the channel. Just make sure to check it all out. Hang around. We unbox all sorts of things on this channel. Anything that I might be using in my content, we'll be using. I don't know why I'm doing this with my hands. I'll catch you next time, right here at Paula City.